sorry. Psych.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And today I thought about making a very easy Halloween makeup look, because I have been posting a lot of Halloween stuffs on my Instagram and my followers are kind of liking it. So yeah, I thought about making that. And also, I once gave a poll on Instagram regarding how to get followers on Instagram, and another was how did I lose so much of weight, because at one point I did. So thought about sharing that, because you guys are giving me a lot about that poll, you should make that video. It's a festive season. Durga Puja is from next week, Diwali is from next week, someone Christmas is almost here, so people want to lose weight. So I'm going to talk about that, and yeah, it's not going to be a detailed one, but still I'm going to give the basic points. So let's start. Anyways, yeah, so this look will be a half clown, half skull. I seriously don't know. I'm just gonna do whatever comes to my mind. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, let's start with black. So I want this look to be very simple black. I also need a mirror. How to do this? Seriously, need to buy some stuffs for Okay, let's talk about the weight loss thing. So in 2000 and I forgot the year. 3 years back, right? Okay, in 2018, yeah, 2018, I was going through severe hormonal acne. I was suffering with this acne problem, and I thought there is no solution to this. Why am I even trying? Why am I even spending so much on doctors? So I went to a doctor, and he said, this story you will know if you have watched my acne journey video. So yeah, so basically I went to a doctor, and he said that dairy is the main reason why I am breaking out. So I had to stop consuming dairy. Okay, this line is not so good. I went to the doctor, and he said I can't have dairy, and blah blah blah. I stopped consuming dairy. I consume dairy, but the intake is very very little. When I want to binge eat, that's also a chocolate. When I mean dairy, I don't only mean milk. It means basically everything: cheese, butter, ghee, yogurt, milkshake, basically everything. I have to watch what I eat. So when I started doing this, I was following it really strictly. I avoided everything that had dairy. So it was no dairy at all, no butter, no nothing. There was no zero. When I mean zero, I mean it zero. Suppose you marinate the chicken with yogurt, right, before cooking. I don't know, my mom does it, but when I was following this strictly, I asked my mom not to marinate me. So yeah, you understand, it was that severe. Did it work on my skin? Absolutely. My skin became so good within weeks, and I knew how to control my skin. So yeah, my skin cleared up. I had severe acne, so my skin cleared up really quickly when I followed this no dairy. Now when I was doing this, I noticed sudden weight loss is not that easy. It takes time to gain weight, it takes time to lose weight, and definitely it takes more time to lose weight. It's not that easy. So I was losing weight so quickly. My friends and my parents, they thought something was wrong with me. Even my Instagram followers were are you okay? You are looking so thin. Are you okay? They thought that I was doing any type of dieting. Probably things are dieting. I am changing my food habits. The reason is that I used to consume a lot of dairy. I love chocolates. I used to consume chocolates every day. I love yogurt. I used to consume yogurt every day. So then there was butter, cheese, the basic dairy products. You go out with your friends, you have all these cheeseburgers and mayonnaise stuffs, whatever, you get it, right? So I had to stop it all. So I lost a lot of weight. So my then took me to another doctor and asked like why is she losing so much of weight, like is she sick, like she eats everything and all the vegetables, chicken, protein, like she's like eating eggs, like what's the problem here? So the doctor asked like what like I was consuming, and then I just felt like I should mention that I'm not consuming dairy, like, you know, due to my skin problems I am not consuming dairy. So it was like easier for him to like say. So it was like very obvious to the doctor that because I have stopped consuming dairy, my weight was like going down so fast. So what I understood is that when you stop consuming dairy suddenly, like not like I will not consume milk or I'll consume butter and cheese and mayonnaise, so that will not work. So like 100% cut off of dairy, and I lost a lot of weight. Like I am healthy now, but that phase I was like a stick, and I didn't know what was happening. So people thought that I was like developing some sort of food disorder because the weight loss was pretty much evident to everyone and everyone was concerned. So people thought that I was like going through something, or I was going through a lot, but that's not the reason. The reason is the complete like full stop to dairy. So yeah, if you are planning to lose weight, I suggest you to cut off dairy for a week. You don't have to do it permanently. I have to do like it permanently. And later I understood I have to find others like substitutes for dairy. I have to consume that much of eggs, that much of nuts and chicken. I have to consume a lot of chicken and eggs because I can't consume dairy. So I have to make sure that I don't fall sick. So yeah, so that's my problem because I'm lactose intolerant. I can't consume dairy. So you can just do it for like 2 weeks to lose weight, and once you have reached there, you can just stop. Like another thing that is like going to help you a lot is to like I can't talk and draw. It's to like stop consuming sugar. I didn't like stop consuming sugar, but my dad did, and he lost a lot of weight. Like he literally lost a lot of weight when he stopped consuming sugar. So now okay, so then you can consume like when you're trying to lose weight, you can consume 5 to 6 cups of green tea a day. Do I suggest that like every freaking day? No, I'm suggesting you like to do it like for a week or like 10 days. It can like help you like a lot if you like want to instantly like lose weight like within a very short period of time. And you can also consume black coffee. So these are the 2 things that will help you a lot to lose weight. The thing about green tea is that when I think green tea lovers will know this, you have to pee a lot. So it's a lot of like bathroom trips, but it's worth it. It's worth it. You have to pee a lot. That's the issue. Like you have to pee a lot because that's the way how green tea works. So basically green tea like make sure that your metabolism is like working nicely and your food is like digested. And don't consume green tea like on an empty stomach. That's so bad, and so many people does this, and by so many people I mean me, and then it can cause a lot of harm to your body. So don't consume green tea with like an empty stomach. Have something, then have it. Other thing that is really effective is like ginger ale. Sounds fancy, it's nothing fancy. Basically you have to grind some ginger, pour some hot water, keep it like for 15 minutes, then just filter out the water, and yeah, just consume the hot water with that ginger juice, and it's really effective on your stomach fat. I don't think that you need to like follow this, but yeah, I just am telling you what I know. And yeah, so basically water weight. Sometimes you will be like, I didn't consume anything, like I'm not even consuming rich stuff, so why am I so bloated? Sometimes you're so bloated, right? Like one day you're not bloated and the next day you'll see that your stomach is so bloated. So the reason for that is, one, if you don't consume like a nice breakfast. Some people skip breakfast. That's the most horrible thing that will ever do to your body. You should never skip breakfast. Rather, you should have a heavy breakfast. Never keep your stomach empty. You will bloat. That's how the body works. So you have to eat the breakfast. Another thing why you bloat is that when you consume a lot of salty stuff like chips, and it can also be your regular food, when you consume a lot of salt. So salt holds water, and there is something called water weight, which is like stored here. All your cheeks are chubby because of the water weight. So some people, they go on a severe diet where they also don't consume salt. You know, people with hollow cheeks whose like cheeks are like inside, like whoa, like some have naturally hollow cheeks, but some people do like severe diet where they don't consume sugar or salt. Both of them, if you quit both of them, you can like achieve those hollow cheeks. But is it like necessary? I don't think so. Okay, another thing that I totally forgot to mention, that is dinner at 9. Dinner at 9. Always consume dinner before 9. I consume dinner at 9, but generally people, models, talking about models, they consume dinner at like 7 and 6. Why? What's the reason? The reason is that after the sunset, your body metabolisms like decreases, the rate decreases. So obviously the more you consume, the more fat is stored. That's why you can consume anything and everything like when the sun is up, because your body metabolism is like faster. I know it sounds dumb, but that's the truth. And after the sun is gone, your metabolism is there, but the rate is like very slow. Okay, so I just added the lashes. I hate wearing lashes. I don't know how do you guys wear lashes, but I just feel like for the Halloween looks, you need the lashes. I never wear lashes except for the like Halloween looks. I think something is missing. I think I need to do the nose. I think I need to do the nose.
I'm sorry. Psych.
Okay, so that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And please comment down below if you like this look or you don't like it. I think I'll just give myself a score. I'll give like 6 out of 10. Right? It's easy and yet like it's scary. Like I'm also a bit sexy. I don't know. I'm talking so much. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.